Okay guys, today we're going to be working in two different areas actually. I've got the smaller camera going in there. She's working on the floor still, trying to get it apart. I'm going to get these cabinet doors off because we've really got to get stuff moving here, so I want to get these cabinets apart and get the rest of this floor torn out. I don't think I'll get to the floor today, but I at least want to get the cabinet doors off and maybe start taking apart the cabinets themselves. So we got two different cameras running. I might have to do like a split screen or something on the video. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. I'm just going to take the doors off. Except I need tools and gloves. I showed you guys where I want to keep these. Yeah, just a sec. It's got these. Oops. If I can figure out which way the camera went. There we go. It's got these decorative hinges and latches. It's all latches on it. Well, that's not very old, but it should be in one of the boxes. Alright, well I'm going to keep getting these doors off and then I'm going to take the cabinets apart, which is going to be so much fun. Look at all these nails.
Here's my white.
That's a lot of nails. There's no reason for that many nails.
Here's my white people dance today. You're welcome. On the end here, I'm sure you guys can see. There we go. I'm just getting behind this panel over here and wiggling out the nails mostly, except for this one. I'm going to have to, actually this one's going to be a little bit different because it's got this trim on the edge here. I gotta take that trim off before I get the door off. Hopefully, it doesn't fight with me too much.
bad. I don't know if you guys saw that whole thing shift. The door was kind of holding it up. I think it used to be a pot handle or something, like a handle for a pot. I'm not entirely certain what this was. I don't know. I'm starting to get to the point where I'm half tempted to find a sledgehammer.
I'm mostly just working on the floor, like I said earlier, but it's going slow because of the way that the boards are set up. Because it's not just falling into place like yesterday. I have to sit there and pry each one of them, keep breaking them occasionally. But I'll get back to it.
What are we doing? Beating wood.
I was going to ask, since we're pulling up the wood, what is the stuff that you have to buy to treat termite damage? Or kill termites?
I was gonna buy the cedar side.
Where'd you buy
Because it's
that?
non-toxic to animals or people, and unless you're allergic to cedar, then you might have an issue, but I had to order it online.
You?
Yeah,
Oh, I was gonna hold on your bike today, so we
no, I have to order it online.
give it to me, I want it.
I've been trying to get that one out, and it won't come out. It's like lifting this whole thing, I don't know what it's
I
attached
did it! I got it! It's my piece of wood.
to. I saw the cutest thing yesterday, and I wanted to go take a picture, but I knew he wasn't going to be around very long, right? It was like this big. It was a little tiny praying mantis. It was so cute. And I'm like, I want to take a picture of you, but you won't be here long enough.
It's just over here like,
Yeah, just chilling. It took me a while to figure out what it was because it was so small.
what is that?
Yeah, and I was like, I was looking at it, and you could see the little claws,
Doing this
and then he had his little eyeballs, and it was like, and I'm like, you're so cute! Like, there's a big one around somewhere. Hey, but they don't build them like this anymore. I don't see any IKEA made out of this. No way. That's better. So I'm going to finish this one cabinet here, and then I'm going to go help her with the floor a little bit more, and then we're going to call it a day. Because this was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be, and that one's going to wait until next week, I guess. And after that, tear the floor apart. Oh, and the stairs, those have to go away anyways. They're not up to code. We're not going to rebuild them. But for now, they're going to stay. I'm going to make sure that the bottom's stable so that we can use them for access up and down for right now. But eventually those are going away. Anyway, I'm going to get to work on this cabinet some more.
Funky cabinets here.
I mean, I don't know any other reason, but that looks like a door to me. There's no hole though, so maybe it wasn't, but it looks like a door. I had somebody that wanted to buy some of the doors from upstairs. They want to turn them into a bed frame. Oh no. That's the original wood floor, I think. Pretty sure that's original. And something else bad that I found. I'll show you guys real quick. That little dinging noise, that's actually the... let's see if this is filming. Alright, that's the door frame, and that's termite damage down there at the bottom. Termite and water. So, at least I got one thing on my goal today done, which is, well, part of it. I wanted to remove both cabinets, but I think that one's going to wait until next week sometime. I think we're about done for the day. It's 4:11. I had a 1997 newspaper.